Hey team, so I'm back with another Kai exclusive, and this one is just going to be a little bit different this time, and I am going to show you guys how I routinely protein and treat my hair during my wash days. So I'm going to start off by saying I, like many of you, am not a fan of wash day, especially with this natural hair, and it is full of texture and full of length and just full. So it kind of, you got to take your time to love and care on it. I actually started my natural hair journey in 2011, but with my new findings over the years, I started to, of course, change that up and follow the regimen that me and my clients practice. So here I am oiling my scalp and my strands. This actually makes for a better and more thorough protein treatment. So you're gonna just put that on there and let that sit with the cap for about at least 45 minutes. So now here we are, and we're gonna go into the proteining. And as you can see, my hair has a nice shine to it, and it is soft and already reverting. So this is my hair strictly just combed out from my protective style a few days ago. I typically don't go too fast with my wash day process. I like to feed my hair with moisturizer for a few days and then set up for wash day. So here I am taking my time going through each quadrant, adding the protein treatment in just like a good old mask, making sure that I coat every strand, edges, roots, ends, especially the ends, just because that is the oldest part of the hair and that is what we're trying to maintain. And as you can see, I'm putting the protein on my hair and the slip is coming right on in there. And I just, I love a good mask for your hair, any type of treatment for natural hair, just to make our lives easier. As we all know, natural hair, it works best when it is hydrated and moisturized. Our protein treatment is 100% natural, made with food ingredients. You literally can eat it. I just think that you need to keep it simple when it comes to your hair. Now, I have cut my hair off a few times, and finally, I am getting to a curl that I love and a pattern that I think is healthy enough for me to grow out. It is highly important for stylists to mimic what they preach, and I just was not about to grow my hair until it was where I wanted it to be. So yes, as you can see, the protein is sitting in, girl, and it hasn't even been in for like 10 minutes, and it's already got my curls popping. Look at the bounce, okay? Y'all not gonna be able to tell me nothing. Y'all better get on this wave. Now, get on it right now. So I am taking my time going through the rest of my hair with the protein, parting it, making sure that I coat every last strand for the best results. And as you can see, that pre-poo with that oil then set my protein up for something serious, honey. Look at it, okay? Coming in. Like, just look how it... let's just take a second. I thought it was highly important that I gave an example of how to use Nasara Organics Protein Potion and what the outcome should look like. I get so many videos of kind of mixed applications, and I want you guys to get the best out of your protein. Like, look at my curls. I was so damn pleased, girl, okay? I can't wait. My ultimate goal is really to be just a curly girl, a big fro girl who can kind of just stretch her hair and just go, okay? Look at them curls. And this is just from the protein, people. The protein, okay? It's not a game. It's not. And I'm not here to play with y'all. And neither are my clients, okay? We're coming. And this is what we're looking like. We're busting out of this quarantine. healthier hair, longer strands, and we're just outside. So I hope this protein little tutorial helped you out, and you can kind of see how the owner is growing her hair right with you guys. So let's get into it, honey. Yes, get that protein. Click right now.